Wow, this is super vivid. Whew. Hey, youth pastors, Paul Turner here from thediscipleproject.net, and I can explain. Listen, so maybe you've done this before, I don't know, but as a youth pastor, sometimes you need to help your young people, get motivated a little bit. So we set a goal that we wanted to raise $1,000 for missions. And this goes specifically to an organization called Speed the Light, which helps with vehicles, audio equipment, video equipment, so that missionaries, wherever they're at, can share the gospel as quickly as possible. And so I said, $1,000, we'll do this. And I said, if you will raise the $1,000, I will allow you to temporarily dye my hair. And so we went at it, and this was only a 4-month goal, really. We'd set this at the beginning of the month, but we said, well, we did it in September, and over the course of the months, we did a spaghetti dinner, kids gave, and the money was raised. And then we said, well, I asked one of our young people, Dawson, I said, hey, how much would it cost to shave your head? He said $500. I said, done. And so we raised another $500 for that. And of course, our congregation helped us as well. And for being in a rural, small church as we are, it seemed like a very large ask. But our church, our young people stepped up. And well, as you can see, clearly this happened. And so I want to encourage you as youth pastors, say, look, if you want to set some goals, don't be afraid to put yourself out there. Now, look, this is going to be in here for till Sunday. So I said, I'm not keeping it. I'm not keeping it any longer than that. This is washout and all that. But I want to encourage you that if you want to motivate your students, do things like this. Put yourself out and says, look, I'm willing to get my hair dyed or shave my head or do something with a beard or whatever it is that you may be able to do. But I would love to hear from you. What is the craziest thing you've done to say, I'm going to motivate my students to actually go ahead and get this thing done? What have you laid on the line for yourself that you allowed students to do to you, or you did to yourself, or whatever it may be? Leave me some comments down below. So that's it. Just wanted to get on here and just encourage you to keep motivating your students. Your students can do amazing things. Your church can help you. It can be done. And I clearly am living proof of that. You guys have a great day. Catch you guys in the next video.